Hello there everyone. Today I'll teach you how to draw a cute little girl. First let's start by drawing a circle for the girl's head. Now from the center, let's draw two curved lines for the hair, two dots for the eyes, and a little mouth. Now let's draw the girl's hair. Two little lines for the neck. Next we are going to draw a square shape like this. We are drawing the girl's dress. I'm drawing a long dress. And now for her shoes. Now the hands, the fingers, drawing the other hand like she's saying a hi. Next, let's draw some buttons and designs on her dress. You can draw any designs like circles or curved lines. And there you go. The girl is ready. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.